So that means the motherfucking people is blocking your locations. They said 位置咗that means it's blocking your location. That means it's fuck up everything. That means fuck up everything means it doesn't work. So that means your first image will be screwed up. Then the whole project will be screwed up, and the second and third and the after step. Every time when you go to the airport, they blocking you. Take the video from the timetable when you check the flight time. They blocking you. Send the message to the, yeah, it's true. You can check the video back. Motherfucking fuck you, IT behind the iPhone. You check the video, go to conference room. Have a team, specially is already here. Fuck you, the team IT. Screw up my soundtrack. I gotta fuck you. 屌你老母！嗱 ，that's mean 你位置咗 ，they screw up your locations. That means give you a bad image. That everything will be screwed up. The whole budget will screw up because they screw up the frequency. When you get into a new place, you have a frequency with a moody and idea. You just fuck up everything, motherfucker. What you want? Fuck your IT behind the shit. It's not working at all. This is the culture is fuck up culture. I'm telling you what. 停緊我部機啦，我去到機場，冚家鏟停鳩咗部機。咁我唔可以將個 timetable 時間表記低啦。Yeah. And then I go to the other locations with the people meeting, face-to-face interview. They screw up my video. Fuck you behind the IT. You control my fucking phone. It's not working this way. Your culture is fucked up. And you have to go to jail immediately, for sure. Everybody sign up in Apple group and ring. Yeah. You use that group and fuck your iPhone directly behind. 屌你老母冚家鏟 What do you want? 馬人呢？唔怕文字怕物人。冚家鏟玩嘢，我停啦部機嘛，唔撚屌柒佢。嗱，阿粒 BB 馮盈盈嗰條山槍，俾你用北衰咗啦。長城公主位置圖同埋亞特蘭提斯 IOI。我講俾你聽嘅計劃啦，佢破壞咗我哋整個奧林匹克嘅計劃。雅典女神12宮，12星座，長城公主位置圖，佢唔知道佢講乜嘢。金木水火土龍，金木水火土風，天梯，地梯，雨，失去發財 ，mirror。